Are you sabotaging your day without even knowing it? Listen up, you donkey. You think success is a bloody magic trick? It's not. It's built on good habits, consistency, and a whole lot of bloody hard work. Today, we're diving into the 18 worst daily habits that you need to stop immediately. Consider this your recipe for a more successful, healthier, and happier you. Skipping breakfast is like starting a race with a flat tire, you moron. You need fuel, you need energy, and you need it now. Without a proper breakfast, your body and brain are running on fumes, leading to poor concentration, fatigue, and a higher chance of making bad decisions throughout the day. It's a recipe for disaster. Listen, spending all day glued to your phone scrolling through social media is about as productive as a one-legged man in an ass-kicking contest. It's a black hole for your time and mental energy. This constant comparison, the fear of missing out, it's all a load of bollocks. It's time to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with reality. Seriously, you think smoking makes you look cool? It's like setting your money on fire and inhaling the ashes. Not only is it destroying your lungs, but it's also a major turnoff to potential partners and employers. It's time to snuff out this disgusting habit for good. Procrastination is like leaving a pan of oil on the stove unattended eventually. It's going to catch fire. Putting things off until the last minute only leads to stress, rushed work, and missed opportunities. Get your act together and start tackling your tasks head on. Nail biting. It's disgusting, it's unsanitary, and it makes you look like a nervous wreck. It's a clear sign of anxiety and insecurity. Find a healthier way to cope with your stress, like exercise or meditation. Your nails and the people around you will thank you. You think money grows on trees? Every time you whip out your credit card for something you don't need, you're essentially throwing your financial future in the bin. Before you buy something, ask yourself, do I need this? Can I afford this? If the answer is no, walk away. Lying is like using cheap ingredients. It might work in a pinch, but eventually the truth will always come out. And when it does, it'll be a recipe for disaster. Honesty is the foundation of any strong relationship, whether it's with friends, family, or colleagues. So stop being a lying twit and start being truthful. Being chronically late is like serving raw chicken. It's unacceptable. It shows a complete lack of respect for other people's time. If you want to be taken seriously in life, start being on time. Set reminders, plan ahead, and for God's sake, get a decent alarm clock. You think the world is your personal garbage bin? Littering is not only disrespectful to the environment, but it's also incredibly selfish. Take responsibility for your trash and dispose of it properly. It's not that bloody difficult. Overthinking is like stirring a pot that's already boiling. It's only going to make things worse. It leads to anxiety, stress, and sleepless nights. Learn to let go of what you can't control and focus on what you can. Your mind will thank you for it. Sitting on your backside all day is about as stimulating as watching paint dry. It's a recipe for obesity, heart disease, and a whole host of other health problems. Get up, get moving, and get your blood pumping. Your body will thank you for it. The way you talk to yourself matters. Would you talk to a friend the way you talk to yourself? Negative self-talk is like poison to your self-esteem. It's time to reprogram your inner critic and start practicing self-compassion. Believe in yourself, you miserable git. Multitasking is a myth. It's like trying to juggle chainsaws while riding a unicycle. You're going to end up dropping everything. Focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention. You'll be surprised at how much more productive you become. Raiding the fridge at midnight is like setting fire to your metabolism. Late-night snacking is a surefire way to sabotage your weight loss goals and disrupt your sleep. Establish a regular eating schedule and stick to it. Letting people walk all over you is like serving a dish without any seasoning, bland and utterly forgettable. You deserve to be heard, you deserve to be respected, and you deserve to get what you want. Find your voice and start asserting yourself. Listen, I love a good cup of coffee as much as the next bloke, but too much caffeine is like driving with your foot on the accelerator. You're heading for a crash. Excess caffeine can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and poor decision-making. Cut back gradually and find healthier ways to boost your energy levels. Gossiping is like serving spoiled food. It leaves a bad taste in everyone's mouth. It's toxic, it's unproductive, and it's a waste of everyone's time. Instead of talking about people behind their backs, why not try talking to them directly? You might actually learn something. You know your body is mostly water, right? Not drinking enough water is like running a car without oil. It's not going to end well. Dehydration leads to fatigue, headaches, and poor concentration. So grab a glass of water and show your body some love. Listen, we've all got bad habits, we're only human. But the difference between success and failure is recognizing those habits and having the courage to change them. It won't be easy, but trust me, the rewards are worth it. Now go out there and make me proud.